So, nandito na po tayo sa the courtyards. Itong isang building is under construction. Itong isang building naman ay tapos na and ready for rent to own. And this is the entrance. And saan pa ba?
I think Cabin Alabang.
Cabin Alabang. Okay, we will enter the Cabin Alabang. So we give the entrance. And we have a step.
Ay, mabalin pa kapag naanday ito eh. Okay lang? Replacement eh.
Studio type and ilang bedrooms?
Studio type and 1 bedroom.
Okay.
Karing 1 bedroom.
So 2 bedrooms lang available tapos yung 1 studio.
Yung available dito, tatlong studio type. Doon naman sa kabila, yun yung 2 bedroom.
Sige, pasukan na natin. So these are the
Maganda natin yung floor. Pupunta tayo ng room, yung available.
yung available.
3C and 4C ang available ng floor. Second floor C, third floor C, and fourth floor C.
Okay. May tumitira na dito, no? May tumitira na.
Kaya, kasama ko yung bigger room. Inaayos yung iba para ready for turnover.
Yung laundry meron na rin dito, no? Inclusive nga, no?